Haylou was kind enough to send us a pair of earbuds, which is the Haylou W1 earbuds. And in today's video, we are going to look at the unboxing and my first impressions about this device, earbuds. I'm Delpy and welcome to Bytes Unlocked. The Haylou W1s are an amazing pair of earbuds you should try out, honestly. Let me just start off with that before we go to the first impression and unboxing. But then with the unboxing, the packaging was very sleek and nice. It gives you that premium experience you need or you want to experience if you're unboxing the device, because the compartments were created for every bit of accessory that was coming with the device. Like, the buds were not in the casing were on their own separate side, the USB-C cable, and you also get changeable tips if you want to feel comfortable when wearing them. Crazy, right? So you have the buds, the charging case, and then USB Type-C cable with a pair of interchangeable tips that would perfectly fit for you. I still have the default ones they placed on the buds, so I'm good to go. I'll try changing them sometime before my extended review comes out. Now let's talk about the casing. Very small, not too big, but a bit puffy that would really be obvious when you keep it in your pocket. So I advise you keep it in a, in a bag or anything, but if you have very long pockets, you can just drop it in there. The case will give you up to 20 total hours of listening, where the buds charged fully will give you 6 hours of listening to music. If you're doing other external stuff like having phone calls or playing games, it could cut down to 5 hours and a couple of minutes, which is still great. The casing has a USB Type-C port, which will charge the device from 0 to 100%. I mean, the casing from 0 to 100% in about an hour and 30 minutes. You're good to go. So it's very great. And once it's charged in an hour and 30 minutes, you have 20 whole hours of using these two things, the buds and the case, for your own preferred experience. With a glossy finish and Haylou boldly written on the stem, these provide one of the most exquisite sound system you could ever experience, because you have a blend of every part of the music when you're listening to it, when you have the buds in your ears. But for a price of $45.99, I believe this is a very great piece of tech with great listening experience. You're getting two colors, which is the black and the white, with the glossy finish on the white variant. Gives it that premium feel, premium look like you deserve. This has been my unboxing and first impressions for the Haylou W1 earbuds. Like I said, I'll come your way with an extended review for this bad boy, and I hope to catch you on that one as well. Stay safe, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that one, and I'll catch you guys on another one. Peace out.